How you store your ingredients makes all the difference for freshness and taste. With the Electrolux Fresh Plus Fridge Freezer, your ingredients stay fresher, crispier, and tastier for longer. Fresh and frozen foods need to be cooled differently. Electrolux Fresh Plus with Twin Tech uses 2 separate air streams to ensure the perfect humidity and temperature in both the fridge and the freezer. The result is food that stays fresher for longer. The multi-air flow produces a uniform flow of air, which stabilizes the temperature and humidity throughout the fridge, keeping food fresher for longer. The Taste Guard filter prevents undesirable aromas and bad odors. Electrolux frost-free technology prevents frost from building up in your freezer. Never defrost again. The customizable and innovative CustomFlex storage system optimizes storage possibilities. The Electrolux Fresh Plus models are extremely energy efficient. The Fresh Zone drawer is cooler than the rest of the fridge, ideal for storing meat, fish, and many types of vegetables. Separate modern and sleek touch displays give you precise and immediate temperature and function control for the fridge and the freezer. Electrolux Fresh Plus fridge freezers are available with a selection of options and accessories. The Fridge Care Set is the perfect way to keep the refrigerator clean and odor-free. The Care Set includes a fresh keeper mat, a fridge odor absorber, Frigo Care Spray, and a soft cloth. And the Fresh Keeper mat cleverly allows air to circulate in the fruit and vegetable compartment, preventing bad odors and the buildup of mold. We bring the freshness, you bring the taste. The Electrolux Fresh Plus.